Welcome to the Hyundai Kona Electric Walk. I will take you for a walk around our electric compact SUV, the Hyundai Kona Electric Model Year 20. The Kona Electric is available with two powertrain versions. With a battery capacity of 39 kWh, the basic version drives you electric up to 305 km on a single charge. The long-range version with a 64 kWh battery provides an electric driving range of up to 484 km. Located in the vehicle's front, the charging port can be easily accessed. With a 10.5 kW onboard charger, you can recharge the battery at a wallbox at home or at a public AC charging station in 7 hours and 30 minutes for the long-range version and in 4 hours and 50 minutes for the basic version. If connected to a 100 kW DC fast charging station, the batteries can be recharged up to 80% in 54 minutes. With its expressive and powerful styling, the electric version clearly carries the design DNA of the Kona. The characteristic design element of the front are the twin-type headlamps available with full LED technology. Unique to the Kona Electric is a closed grille, which gives the front a very modern and clean appearance. The dedicated 17-inch alloy wheels have been optimized for aerodynamics, combining efficiency and style. Thanks to 100 kg vertical load, the long-range version of Kona Electric can carry a bike rack on the optional tow bar, which allows you to easily transport your bikes. Kona Electric offers the latest active safety technology, including front collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection and smart cruise control with stop and go. The ecosystem automatically calls the emergency services if airbags deploy in case of an accident or if the e-call button is pressed. Kona Electric features a dedicated center console. It incorporates a button-type shift-by-wire module, which enables an intuitive operation of the electric powertrain. The new navigation system has a 10.25-inch screen. It features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and it comes with a Crowd Premium sound system. With the new BlueLink app, you can easily control relevant functions with your smartphone. You can remotely check the status of your battery, control the charging process, or activate the heating or air conditioning. Since March 2020 and in response to the high market demand, the Hyundai Kona Electric is now also produced here in Europe in our factory in the Czech Republic. We hope you've enjoyed the Hyundai Kona Electric Walk.